That was also a bitch, putting it on. I had to actually add more tension to it on the time to line up the bolts. So now I'll go ahead and tighten this tensioner, and then I'm gonna take off that pin. Let's get these two. Oh, that looks good. What the fuck is that? Oh man, must be the cat's in heat or something. Okay. That looks good. Looks good up here. Let's go ahead and let it be free. And they say, you know, want a hand, give it a good squeeze for daily driving. Yeah, that's all I could get. Shit. That's good. I didn't even take these off. I know some videos they take all the stuff off. So what I did, I just took the tensioner off, and can get through it like that. Everything looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and align that. Looks like that's right here. It's not at TDC. See the arrows? Come on, focus, baby. Yeah, right there. I gotta line that up. And I bet everything will be at TDC at the top too. Fucking camera system. Oh, sorry about the French, guys. Window's not French. Let's see, I can turn it here. Oh shit. Let's back it up a bit. Oh shit. There we go. Still timed, still timed. Still timed. And everything's timed up right here. Yep. Right in the middle and right in the middle. Yep. What I can do, I'm going to go ahead and just spin it and make sure everything lines right back up. If these two, TDC, and that guy down there should be TDC too. So, which means I'm lined up. I'm good. Oh man. All right, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned. I'm eventually get this motor in and go from there.